This is a fully furnished 1 BHK flat in Blue Ridge, Hinjawadi on the 19th floor. Now we are heading towards the bedroom. So this is a bedroom for perfectly good for a newlywed couple. And as you can see, there is a curtain is also provided. It's a fully furnished flat, and you will be getting a 2 big size wooden almirah that is a perfect for a 2 person. And this is the view from your bedroom window to the outside. It's very awesome view, and AC is provided, fan is also given. Okay, and also you will see beside the bed you have a mirror, and the bedside table is also being provided. This is quite a good place for a newlywed couple. Now this is here the washroom and the bathroom as well. You also have a geyser facility provided here. Okay, and now we are going to the dining hall. Dining table with chair is provided. TV is also there, and sofa curtain is also provided, and it's a very good amount of space is there. And just beside the dining hall you have an open kitchen. It's fully interior decorated. A fridge is provided, and along with that in the upper side you see the cupboard is provided also. Below is also there. Microwave is there, gas oven is given. Okay, and aquaguard is also given, and exhaust fan, and in the upside blue color you can see that is your gas, centralized gas system from Monastery. Now we are going to the balcony. In the balcony you will see washing machine is also being provided. Blue Ridge is one of the most popular residential township near Hinjawadi IT Park. Many IT professionals prefer staying here because it is close to the offices and the environment is very peaceful. Just look at the view from your balcony of the 19th floor. After your working, when you will be exhausted, after coming home, if you sit here, you will be totally, in peaceful mode. That's perfectly fine. Look at the surroundings. The entire Blue Ridge area is being displayed. And also, along with that, there is also a swimming pool facilities also there, and that is in the first floor. And in the top floor you will have the gym facility that will come under 1,000 per month. Okay, and complimentary parking is also available. Let's now discuss about the pricing part of this 1 BHK room. It comes with a 35,000 rent for a fully furnished 1 BHK flat. Along with that, initially you need to deposit 3 months monthly rent to the owner as a security deposit. It will be refunded when you will be vacating. Along with that, you need to give 1 month rent as a brokerage fees. Okay, and on top of that, there will be an agreement. For that there will be certain charges around 3,000 something you need to pay. And when it will get renewed after 11 months or so, again a little amount of 1,500 or 2,000 you need to pay. Okay, and there is maintenance, there is no cost, that will be taken care by the owner itself. And electricity bill is also there. So the AC bill and fridge, washing machine, so all those bills will come together. That is based on your consumption. Okay, and nothing else. And now if you hire a cook or maid, okay, so that is a separate thing, and the groceries and all those things are separate. So that is what I told you. So like in overall, I'm thinking if I take this flat, so I need to deposit at the initial phase, that is 35,000 into 5. That much it's more than 1.5 lakh I need to deposit. So I'm just telling you the ground reality if you want to take a 1 BHK flat in Blue Ridge, Hinjawadi.